Hey guys, what's up? Today we have a makeup look. Yay! So I created this look for you guys. I wanted to create a look using neutral colors, using something that's easily available and everybody has it, and something that's not difficult to achieve but still looks really hot. So yeah, if you want to learn how to do this, then please keep on watching. Oh yeah, and please like, comment down below, heart react, share, follow, subscribe, do everything. Please, 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 and join my glowing family. And yes, let's go. So I'm gonna start by using my primer. Going to go in with my L5 primer. This is something that I bought just you know, out of the blue, and then I started using it and I really like it. This palette has been loved, as you can see. I love it. I'm just gonna go in with the shade here. And then with a puffy brush, I'm gonna go in with this and this. This look goes, even if it goes according to plan, even if I do what I initially thought, because oh my god, आप लोगों के साथ ये होता है कि आप लोग start करते हैं मेकअप करना और आपने सोची एक चीज़ होती है बट आप करते हो उससे completely different है. That's me. That's what I do mostly. उस वक्त फिर मेरे सामने मेकअप आ जाए या मैं ड्रेसिंग रूम में चली जाऊँ ना, बस फिर then I just go crazy. Sometimes I feel like I'm too overdressed when I go out with my friends and you know all, but like I would tell them, I'm just gonna put on eyeliner, and then when I walk out I have like a full face of makeup on and they'll be like, what the hell, Neha? So then I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. It's really not difficult now to find a really nice pigmented black shadow. So what I'm doing is I'm applying the black shadow to like 1/3 of my eye. And I've made sure that I do not go up to my brow bone. So please guys, you also need to be careful of that. You need to go in with a brown shade, something of this sort. And then since I have to use this mirror, my life is so hard, I have to keep things back, pick them up, keep them. And let's blend that with this brown shade. So you take that outwards a little bit, like a V. I'm gonna go in with a brush that looks something like this, and I'm gonna go in with this and I'm gonna lighten it a little bit. So I'm just going in with black again, keeping it towards the outer V. Back in my 35O, and I'm just gonna grab this really light shade. This one, the one that we used in our crease, and we're just gonna apply it on the rest of the lid. So as you can see, I made a mess here while applying the lightest shade, so I'm just gonna go in with the black here and blend it. So you have to make sure that you have like equal amounts of the same color on both the eyes, otherwise otherwise you will look funny, to me at least. And honestly, you just have to find your rhythm while doing makeup, and then you can just figure everything out from there. Okay, so I'm back with my eyeliner and I kind of wanted to go all out. I'm gonna go in with the makeup wipe and I'm gonna just clean the edges. Mamma mia, mamma. I say, please don't take makeup too seriously. Jo bhi hoga, achha hi hoga. Bas aap blend kare. So you can see these are my brushes right now, and what I'm going to do is that I'm not going to apply any new product. I'm just going to apply whatever is left on my brush, because I don't want my under eye to be too harsh. So I'm going to start by applying black, go in with brown, then I'm going to go in with this one, and then I'm just going to go in with the one that we applied here on our lid. So if there's if you think you've gone too far down or whatever, you can just use like your concealer brush and like a little bit of concealer. So I'm just gonna go softly because we're just giving it a nicer shape. So I'm just gonna go in with my liner brush, and I'm gonna go in with my Kylie bronze gel eyeliner. It looks something like this. I'm gonna grab a cotton bud and I'm just gonna erase with thoda sa mera eyeliner I think has gotten into my waterline here. What, you know what would actually look great? That if you go in with a color like even if you go in with like green or pink or something of that sort, that would really make the eye pop. So I'm gonna go in with my NYX Roll On Glitter. I'm gonna go in with my eyelash curler, and I'm not zooming in because it's kinda dirty. So after that I'm just gonna go in with my mascara, and I always use my Lash Princess. You know what mascara I want to try? I want to try the Huda Beauty mascara. That legit looks nice, and its name is also Legit Lashes, I think so. I like how it's so shaded. I went off camera and I applied like one of my favorite lashes ever. I think it's the best investment ever. I bought these lashes called Superwoman from Layesha lashes, and I've been loving them. So easy to apply, thick band and reusable. I think that's it for the eye makeup. Now let's just do our face, and let's talk about some things important. So to begin with, I'm just gonna go in with my, oh yeah, let's guess which foundation. My Fenty foundation, Pro Filt'r matte foundation. It's my favorite foundation. Guys, I know the government, this is something that I want to talk about, कि मुझे पता है that the government has like you know, eased down the lockdown, but please be a responsible citizen. They have their reasons for, you know, or letting everyone open their stores and everything, but like ठीक है, अगर आपको बहुत ज़रूरी जाना भी है तो आप प्लीज़ प्रिकॉशंस लें. आप ये ना समझें कि कोरोना ख़त्म हो गया. ये हमारी गवर्नमेंट भी रिपीटेडली कह रही है कि भाई कोरोना ख़त्म नहीं हुआ. वी हैव आवर रीजंस, जिस वजह से ये रीजंस हैं, इस वजह से हम खोल रहे हैं. बट प्लीज़ आप अपना ख्याल खुद रखें. अब यू नो लाइक हाँ, एक गवर्नमेंट ऑफिशियल जाके एक हमारी जितनी भी पॉपुलेशन है उसके पास जाके क्या कहे कि नहीं भाई आप यूँ ना करो. मतलब कम ऑन, मतलब जो लोग घर बैठे हैं, क्या दे नॉट मिस शॉपिंग? डू दे नॉट मिस गोइंग टू द मॉल्स? डू दे नॉट मिस देयर फ्रेंड्स एंड देयर सोशल हैंगअप्स? से कम ऑन, you're not the only one who's going through this. It's the whole world. Now I'm just gonna go in with my NYX color corrector. Trusty Too Faced concealer, worn this way in the shade Natural Beige. So now I'm just gonna go in with my Air Spun. मैं उसकी पैकेजिंग दिखाना नहीं चाहती क्योंकि वो टूटा हुआ है, but it's okay, we can all keep it real. इस पे ना मैंने अभी नया लिया है, इसमें ना टेप लगी हुई है और वो टेप उतर नहीं रही मुझसे, या मैं हासिल नहीं करना चाह रही टेप उतारने की. कोई एक बात है ज़रूर. I'm just gonna go in with my beauty blender, guys, because I think I can handle it better. After that, I'm just gonna go in with my Smashbox contour stick. इसके अंदर 3 steps हैं, bronze, contour and highlight. I'm just gonna go in with contour and bronze. So how am I going to contour? ये मेरे ear का ये part से लेके I'm gonna basically, you have to slice your cheek. That's how you have to think. With its a good thing it comes with its own sharpener, because क्या कहते हैं, otherwise I don't think मैं इस size का sharpener कभी भी ढूंढ सकती हूँ. With my bronzer wala, I'm just gonna make a line on top of where I already put the contour shade. There's someone outside. I feel so funny. Anyways, just blend it upwards. Do you see how easy they are to blend? I'm gonna grab my powder brush and just dust away any excess. I'm gonna go in with my Makeup Forever H2 translucent powder, and I'm just gonna apply it under my eye. What? My favorite brush just broke. Trying to stay stable for the internet. Then to bring some color back to us, just go in with your compact. I'm going in with my MAC compact. Now I'm just gonna go in with this brush and my Hoola, and I'm just gonna apply the powder to set my contour. I'm really living for this eye look, by the way. So I'm gonna go in with my Milani Tea Rose blush. This has also been loved. I use it like every single day of my life. So how you apply blushes, you just smile, then you start applying from the apple of your cheeks, and then you blend it upwards. Just want to tell you that please apply it upwards, because that also helps to give a shape and give some structure to your face. So after that, I'm just gonna go in with my highlighter, and you know this is my favorite highlighter these days. It's a new discovery for me. Okay, I'm gonna use this brush and go in the same highlighter and apply it to my brow bone. I forgot to apply my setting spray. So basically I forgot to apply my setting spray before putting on my highlighter. That's what I usually do, but I'm just gonna do it now anyways. The color I'm feeling, I don't know, I want to do red also. Should I do red? Okay, chalo, let's just go in with a lip liner first. I'm just gonna go in with my NYX Lipliner, and this is in 801. For my lipstick, I'm just gonna go in with my MAC liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Feels So Grand. Hey guys, so this is our final look. I hope you guys love it as much as I do. I feel so nice right now. So yeah, I hope you guys recreate it, and if you do, please don't forget to tag me in it, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and share and like and comment and do all of that, and join my glowing family so that I can always come here and entertain you. Thank you so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye.